The police in St. Elizabeth are seeking a man in connection with the fatal stabbing of his cousin on Wednesday morning in Campton District. The deceased has been identified as 22-year-old Onardi Bell, a construction worker. It is reported that Mr. Bell and his cousin got into a confrontation, and during the fight Mr. Bell was stabbed several times. The attacker fled the scene. A Senton man has been charged with murder in relation to the stabbing death of a woman on Market Street in the parish on Sunday, April 7. Charged is 40-year-old Teron Logue, otherwise called Roddy, of Windsor Heights and Arbor Street, address in the parish. The deceased has been identified as 48-year-old Tanika Mattis of Savannah Lamar, Westmoreland, and Ojuraya St. Anne. Reports that about 10:45 p.m. residents saw Mattis' body lying on the roadway and alerted the police. On their arrival, police saw the now deceased with multiple stab wounds to the upper body. She was transported to hospital where death was confirmed. Investigations continued and Log was taken into custody on Tuesday, April 16. He was subsequently charged after a question and answer on Wednesday, April 17. His court date is being arranged. A police constable is currently undergoing treatment at a hospital for injuries he sustained during a robbery at a business establishment on Constant Spring Road in St. Andrew on Wednesday, April 17. According to the police, about 11:20 a.m., the constable entered the store while the robbery was underway. Upon seeing him, it is alleged that one of the armed robbers fired at the lawman, who took evasive action and returned fire. The assailants reportedly managed to escape from the area. The police said the store owner was also stabbed during the incident and had to seek medical attention. It is suspected that one of the robbers was shot and injured during the exchange. In the meantime, investigators are currently seeking a woman who was involved in the incident and is reportedly also linked to other recent robberies. The public is urged to provide any information they may have regarding this incident by calling Crime Stop at 311, Police Emergency at 119, the NIB tip line at 811, or the nearest police station. Investigations are ongoing.